In front of me is Tecno Pova Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this plus at the bottom left corner. Click on Files over here to add an audio one, and select Audio at the top. Tap on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner. Then pick one of those sources. Either way, after locating your file, hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you want to add a video one, select Gallery section, tap on your video, or click on Gallery and click on it here. Then tap on Add at the top right corner. You can also tap on Gallery, select Folders, and look for your video one the same way as an audio file. Hold it and hit Select. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!